What's up, guys? Today we are going hiking. We got the hiking expert with us.
Hello guys, another hiking day for me. One new hiking idea for this guy.
We got zero plans or anything, but first we need coffee. And Jaros has 2 times hiking experience.
3
3 times professional. So we start now, guys, to go to the place. It's about 1 hour with the car. Let's go. Okay, not the best weather for hiking, but it's okay. Nothing can stop us. Right, bro? So we are here somewhere. Brother, where are we? And what's the plan? What's the hike?
The plan.
Opa. We have to say the place is nice. The air is nice. The route not so nice. All good. We need to think now. We need to figure a way to go down there.
There is no way.
So we go back up and we will try a different route. The goal is to go there and sit. So we will try the opposite way to go down because it's easier. And we go back to the car now. Much better view here. See there.
Let's go.
So we were trying to go down from there. Impossible. Okay guys, we are here. We are more down. That's good. Let's go. Here we have the professional hiker. I think I might not do that with the phone. So from up there we came here. I think from now on it's a bit easier because we can go. There is like a small path we can go. Also there is more sun now.
Small sun.
More sun.
More sun.
So better. So we see the professional first. At least if I fall, I think I don't die. I just fall somewhere here.
Or here.
Or there. With some broken things, but yes.
The main point here is to not get caught by this plant.
And go there without getting caught by this.
Yes,
Okay.
this poisonous and dangerous plant
Okay.
that has been here since 1607.
Okay.
A very old plant.
You understand this by just looking at it?
Yes.
Oh, crazy, bro.
Thank you.
We'll attend now something. It's a bit slippery, the rock. Okay. Okay, I'm down. But full of this. What do you think?
Possible.
Possible. So what's the way? By gado ne? Almost there, guys. Oba. We come from there. Bomba. Na beachtispem. This guy is crazy.
This guy is struggling.
I cannot lose half. I have to jump too. From here you jump.
Yes, all the way here. As you can see, not a very big jump. Dead. Yeah.
Nice. Oof. Abra. Now easy. Now we go down like a king.
Okay, we made a huge mistake. We have to go again up and then right.
Okay, we follow you. Now there is like a stairs, I think it's easy. We made it, guys. Here is the place. We made it, guys, to the waterfall. So what's your opinion, brother?
A really difficult hike
Yes, it was difficult.
and an even more difficult climb up.
We have to go back now. Peak male experience. Back up now.
Nice.
Let's go, bro. Vamos, vamos. Ωραίος ρε. Nice. Bro is professional. Ωραίος. Ωραίος. We made it. Thank God. Let's go. Back to the car, guys. Safe
And sound.
and sound. Next step, the reward.
Be a reward.
So now we came to a nearby village. So explore a little bit and chill, sit for a beer, and then go back. The reward, guys.
The rewards.
Peak